Hello there, YouTubers and Facebook people. My name is GigaFire, and I'm about to unbox a Kindle Fire. Now, even though that I just got this literally about 5 minutes ago. I was trying to find my camera here, and sorry people, it's one-hander. Let me put this down. Okay. There it is. I also got a color skin. Now, this ain't just mine. It's also my mom's. So, she got a skin and a covering case for it. Now, she does have an idea, but I'm the one that bought it for her because, I don't know, I just want to buy something for her, and I love my mom. I take care of my family big time. What it's my job. They pay the bills, and I give them what they want, and that's how I do it. Here's the plug-in thing. Is there anything inside of here? No, guess not. All right, people. Now let's take a look at this hardcover case here. See me trying to open it. Puts this down. Oops. Wow, they actually make this a lot harder. Here's what it looks like. And of course it's purple. That's how my mom loves it. And here's the skin once again. Let's take a look at it. It's actually pretty nice. So, there we have it. This is what you get when I ordered the Kindle Fire for my mom. It's also for me too. She will read it. I'll watch probably videos on it. But other than that, have a good one. Thumbs up, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. And have a good one, people.